This video will walk through creating and adding links to a playlist. First, click on Create Playlist, and let's use the test one that was created earlier. It is again important to note that the right column header shows the list that is currently being edited. Click on the Links tab at the top of the column, and you'll see all the links that are available to add to the playlist. The types of links that can be embedded are website links to show web page content or dashboard views, YouTube and Vimeo links that can be shown with or without audio, video links for videos from internal locations or internal media players, and as a final option, embed code can be added to insert web content. This may require additional settings, which will be covered later. Adding links is the same as with other content. Just drag it over and set the desired time to show that content. To add a new link, click on the Add Links button. First, give the link a referenceable name and then select the type of link. In this case, it is a YouTube link, but again, there are several options to choose from. As a best practice, select and copy the link from the URL of the page that you wish to share, as shown here. Then paste it in the link text box. If it is a video, the checkbox to include audio will appear, and it can be unchecked if desired. A website link is the same, but it does not include the audio button. Again, add the link, give it a name, copy the URL, paste it, and then click Add Links. Once you have created your links, drag them into the desired playlist and then set the length of time that you would like it to show in the main signage content window as part of the playlist. If it is a video and you would like the whole video to play, set the time to the length of the video. An example of embed code is shown here. If you don't get the right scaling or your video won't play, it is recommended that you change the code to scale responsively to the wrapper, or to set it to 1920 by 1080, and then set it to autoplay. If you are not familiar with this, a helpful hint is to paste the code into Copilot or ChatGPT and give it a prompt to make these changes, and then paste the code here. Once you are done, save the playlist, and now it is ready to add more content or add it to signage in Create Signage. See our other videos for more help in Signage Plus.